Yeah, we'll see. Here comes the rest of the herd. Just bring them all out.
Come on, Mr. Narcolepsy. Oh, bonk. They're following me more than they're... They don't know there's a bird out here yet.
Mm-hmm.
There's a bird out here, guys. Come here. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Yeah.
Who's that one?
Is that here? This is Willow. Oh, no. Ow, 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 ow. Come on. Come on. I know you like toes. Come on. There we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. How about that? How about that? Comes Maisie. Oh, goodness sake. Since the bird's not moving, they're just as much interested in my toes.
They'll get a little live bird in his crate for a while till they're trying to sneak in through the little doors on the side. Yes, he's trying to figure it out. Brown one. Brownie sit there with his little pointer out.
Oh, goodness. Those are my toes. Those are my toes. Also interested in Dad's big white shoes.
Probably ask Mama when we'll feed them some kibbles before they drink milk or what have you. She's not giving up, is she?
Nope.
The little Maya?
Maya. Yep. Hi, Otis.
Willow and